Welcome to 2310 Southlander Lane, a completely rebuilt from the studs up smart home in West Ashley. This home was re-engineered for strength and beauty, as you'll notice the premium 2 1/4 inch white oak hardwood floors throughout, along with solid core doors for superior sound dampening. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, spanning quartz countertops, exquisite micro Marquina marble backsplash, and a full suite of high-end GE appliances, including an induction range and counter depth refrigerator. A deep undermount sink and sleek features complete the space. Upstairs, the primary suite features a custom walk-in closet with built-ins and a convenient laundry chute. The spa bath is truly resort quality. Custom tile work, a massive double-headed rain shower with handheld wands, and a signature double-sink quartz vanity, plus integrated Sonos sound. You'll enjoy brand new HVAC, dehumidifiers, a whole house replumb with Pro water filtration, and a commercial-grade natural gas generator for worry-free backup power. The Pro Unify Smart Network multi-room Sonos audio and PGT windows and doors bring modern performance and peace of mind. Outside, enjoy the new entertainment deck, custom 2-car garage with Swiss Trax flooring and premium storage, a detached workshop, a new driveway with Teco block pavers, and professional storm drainage engineered for coastal living. It's a thoughtfully rebuilt turnkey smart oasis. Come experience it for yourself.